Rose, Mood, Black, and the Flora. If you want to win all 4 of these snap scrunchies, this is how you're gonna enter. Hi guys. Hi. So today we are trying on the entire Snip Scrunchie collection. I have it right here with me. I'm so excited. I'm still so excited because... By the way, my name is Sharon and I'm the creator of SilkytoSatin. Our Snip Scrunchies launched on the 30th of January. That was on a Monday. Was it on a Monday? Yeah, it was on a Monday. It's available in 4 different colors. One that is a limited edition, meaning if it's out of stock, it won't be restocked again, so it won't be available again. But I'm so excited because this is a game changer. This is a total game changer for natural hair girls like me. And you, yeah, and you. Let's not forget you. And the big announcement, I'm going to be doing a giveaway in this video. There will be more instructions on how you can enter the giveaway. And the price... the price is going to be all 4 scrunchies from our Snip Scrunchie collection. But before we move on with the video, I just want to say thank you for the insane response on our Snip Scrunchie launch on TikTok. Plus we also hit 1K followers on TikTok. I know it's not much, but for us it means a lot. So now we can finally add our shop link to our bio, which actually makes it easier for you guys to shop if you find us on TikTok. So yeah, I think that's cool. So let's start with the video. We're gonna try on all 4 Snip Scrunchies, starting with Rose. She's pink. Rose is pink. It's like a dusty pink, a light pink. It's not pink, it's not pink, but it's a dusty pink. It has amazing stretch, perfect for thick hair. It has a snap. By the way, I love the snip sound. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I'm absolutely obsessed with the sound. Just listen. Oh, wow! Does that not make you happy? So we're gonna try on our Rose Snip Scrunchie. Please ignore my hair. Wash day is due. Tomorrow is wash day, so please just ignore the hair. I know it looks wild. Just ignore. Just ignore it. Okay. Okay. The next one we're gonna try on is Mood. This is a brown nude type of color. Also has our logo label on, and this one has a black snap button. So pretty. This is actually one of my favorite ones. I love this color. This is my favorite. I actually have 2 favorites, but you'll see now. You'll see. I'll show you now. I'll show you. This is my favorite color, and this one is Mood. It's the same name as our satin line beadies that I'll show you right here. So next up is Black. Black with an X. Okay. I feel like I'm so bad with names because Black just with an X. Maybe I should start giving it like more human-like names, like human, like us, our names. I don't know. But yeah, this is Black. So let's try on Black. Next up we have is Flora, my second favorite. I absolutely love this pattern. It actually has like little flowers on, but you can't see because it's scrunched, but it gives off a beautiful pattern. This one is a limited edition, unfortunately, so when it's sold out or when it's out of stock, we won't be able to restock it again. So get it while it's still in stock. It's a floral pattern, so I just chose Flora. I really need to be more creative with my color names. Yeah. Maybe, wait, or maybe I can start naming them after clients. Would you like a color named after you? Let me know. That's just idea. Wow, that's just idea. Let me know what you guys think. So let's try on Flora. Oopsie. Flora. And then there's one trick I wanted to show you guys. This is just a try on, but it's super cool. If you take two snap scrunchies, this one and this one, I prefer it be the same color. You know, you can mix it up like you want, be more creative and things. But I prefer it to be one color. And then it's like this long scrunchie. That way you can have it as long as the shoelace that we all use. Well, some of us don't, but yeah. If you want a more tighter afro puff, this is more tighter, as you guys can see. But it all comes down to what you prefer. So yeah. Now for the giveaway. If you want to win all 4 of these snap scrunchies, all you have to do is comment your favorite snap scrunchie on this video. Make sure that you're subscribed to our channel, and that will be your entry. And if you are the winner, I will reply to your comment and we will be in contact after that. And that is that. Thank you so much for all your support and all the orders. I really appreciate it. Me and my family, we are so thankful. So thank you and good luck with the giveaway.